Qingdao Tune Import and Export Company Limited is a professional food machinery supplier specializing in the service and sales of food processing equipment. Now our main product including frozen fries processing equipment, potato chips processing equipment, banana chips processing equipment, fruit and vegetables processing equipment, onion processing equipment, garlic processing equipment, bubble cleaning machine, automatic packaging machine, chicken slaughter processing line, meat food processing equipment, and other related food machinery. Quality first, reputation supreme is our company's service tenet. Stable quality, competitive price, and comprehensive service to win domestic and international market. Our products are exported to Europe, Africa, Middle East, and other countries or regions, widely recognized and praised by customers. On the basis of our 4 years of serving and exporting experience, we have made strict production standards to ensure that every process can meet customer requirements. Laser cutting, measuring, shearing, bending, welding, polishing, assembling, and testing, loading and delivering are strictly operated by customers' requirements. At the same time, we are committed to the overall supporting package of food processing and have established a complete customer service system, including analysis of customer needs, plan designing, production drawing, production and processing, installing and debugging, and after-sales services. Food-grade stainless steel, Siemense motor, Schneider Electrical, waterproof switch, and full English control panel. Create the high standards machine quality, provide the first-class service support. We are Tune, will be your good and dependable partner.